how to get slow motion video in YT Create application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the slow-mo of the video in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Open the YT Create application and you can see I have opened up one of my video. Now guys, if I want the slow motion of the video, you can see I will show you the video speed. Welcome to my channel, and in this video you can see the video speed is little fast. Now if I wanted to get the slow motion of the video, I can tap right here on the video, and after that you can see the speed option. So tap right here on the speed, and now you will have to drag this white circle to the left side, and you will have to select the range, that to which accent, to which range you want to get the slow motion video. So now you can see I have selected the 0.4x, and now if I play the video you will see
Create application.
So you can see that this voice will be in the slow-mo. Now if I wanted to go back and set it to the reset, so you can see
in
that
YT Create application.
you can hear my voice that it's now simple. So if you wanted to get the slow-mo video, it's not only about the voice, it's about the all video slow-mo. And now after doing this you will have to tap right here on the done button, and you will see that this speed will be changed according to your desire. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.